Hello, everybody. Welcome back to the show. Good morning. Good evening. Hello, Dave Mac. Good morning, Loving Nature Guy. Welcome back. Moonlight. Hello. Good morning. And Wacky Beats is in the house. Good to see everybody back. How's it going? How's it going? Camille is here. Hello, Cam in the house. What's up? What's up? So, what happened? What happened in the Asia session? Astronaut is here. Hello, Marco ZFG. Welcome back. Dun, dun, dun. Okay. Paper trading. Price action is so very weird. We had some headlines from Iran, and that spiked up the price a little bit. So yeah, definitely a weird price action. A very weird. Weird price action for sure. So yeah, we had the headlines, and I'm kind of wondering. If we're gonna have some further push to the upside. We are very close to 27K, by the way, and obviously the situation at the Strait of Hormuz is changing every hour. So I feel like the market just wants to go higher anyway. Made a new high. I think further push could be expected. Picking up liquidity from this 5-minute gap. And there's an inversion gap lower as well. Yeah, regular trading hour high is right there. Definitely interesting. Okay, so yeah, price action is weird today. I have a small long position already. I'm kind of hoping that we will go through that 900 level. I like this bounce here. I do like it. Good morning, Daryl. Hello. SoMH. Hello there. Welcome. Stefan, good morning. Welcome. Let's smash those likes as well. Thank you so much. If you guys can do that, thank you. All right. So this would have been an Asia low, I think, which has been taken out, in my opinion. It's 771.50. Although it didn't go down to that fair value gap, which is quite interesting. But whatever. Okay, there's a gap right there. So we are having a, what is this, a new day opening gap as well? Are we? I think we do, right? So we have a new day opening gap right here. New day opening gap. And that is it. That is so far what we have. The probe trade, Moonlight. Just a probe trade. Nothing special. I have a small long position in a drawdown, but don't worry, it's fine. Why did you mark that as Asia low? Yeah, so I'm just kind of using the Tokyo Open, and that's it. That's that's at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard, so somewhere around there, you know. Tokyo Open, or is it Sydney? All right, maybe I'm wrong, but anyway. And there's a swing low right there, and that's why I marked it. Although I do understand that many of you guys, which is not a problem, are using the 6 p.m. reset timer, right? So this is what you guys are using right there, because you are using the daily candle low. Not a problem. You can use that too, by the way. There's nothing wrong with that. I'm using the market open right here, 8 p.m. But that's it. Nothing special to it. If you want to use the daily 6 p.m. candle reset timer, there's absolutely nothing wrong with that. It's not something that is like, you can still trade that. I kind of used to this. Excuse me, I'm a little bit tired. So it actually bounced nicely from this level. Look at that. When I watched this bounce here exactly from that level, that kind of gave me some ideas that, okay, this could have been the one, especially with the structure shift here. But who knows what's going to happen now, right? All right, going down into this inversion gap on the 1 minute. Smokey, the sucker dad. Hello there, Ollie. What's up? All is well, thank you. And Stevie's here. Hello, welcome. Stevie J Trading, welcome back. How's it going, man? All is good here. I'm just kind of waiting for the reaction here. I think it will pick up some liquidity from this lower gap as well. At least I'm expecting it to do so. And then we shall see. We shall see. One day from another cash out. Oh my gosh, that's amazing, man. That is just amazing. Congratulations. I close down this probe position here. I think actually we did have a short, a possible short right there. We'll see. $800 is right around the weave up. And now it's kind of repricing this whole area here. Yeah, it seems like to me as well. It's kind of rebalancing the whole place here. But who knows, right? My VWAP setting is this is a basic VWAP, nothing special. 14 length is, oh, that's not it. Let's multiply. I'm just using the default VWAP, nothing special there. Paul, hello. No one ever knows, but yeah, but it could go lower. Who knows? Who knows? Right now, it does seem like repricing. Maybe a bounce can happen any second. So there is no standard deviation. I don't know. These are all the settings in the VWAP. This is the basic VWAP. I don't know. Trader Dave, hello. Lone Wolf, ES 1 minute is at VWAP. Okay, so ES is already at VWAP, right? Oh yeah, it is. ES already at the VWAP. So we could have a bounce, possibly. Can very well happen. Can use point of control. I don't use volume profile, if that's what you mean. How do you mean point of control? Can use it. I think I'm going long. Going long at 800. It might be possible. I think it kind of seems like it's ready to bounce here. You're on the night shift. Oh, I see. Okay. Well, good luck with the job and with the night shift. I know. I mean, trading and being at the job, it's definitely more difficult. But yeah, not much is going on really. So we had some news about the Strait of Hormuz. Not much. Nobody ever knows right now what is the state of the ceasefire or how things are going on right now over there. It's full on, but builds our great foundation. Yeah. Exactly. Yeah. No dependency decisions with the trades. Yeah. That counts a lot in trading. All right, let's just watch this and observe. Truly does, right? Yeah. Absolutely. Absolutely it does. AG is long. And so there's, although I got better entry. Yeah. I closed down my position. I just want to see what's going on here first. We might have to wait for London Open to get a proper setup here, but who knows? Seems like this midnight level is kind of holding price for now. What key levels? Well, there is an hourly level here. By the way, let me just show you in a second. So there's an hourly level. First of all, we have this push here at 10 a.m. yesterday, AM session. The mid-level of that wick is 862. So I was thinking if there would be a bullish push, I would take partials on the mid-level, or as ICT says, consequent encroachment of this 862, and then going for 900 and then 27k, you know, all-time high again. Otherwise we have a new day opening gap on the downside. So if I go back to the 5-minute here, the only thing that got my mind into looking for possible long positions is that we swept Asia low, and on my end this would be Asia low after 8 p.m. I know, as I said, many of you guys are using 733 after the 6 p.m. reset. I'm using this, but this was a really nice bounce here. So if this would turn around after repricing this fair value gap, this would kind of tell me that, all right, we have a possible long entry here that we can go with, and low hanging fruit would be the mid level of that hourly wick, 862. Now, we had an inversion gap from this 1 minute candle during Asia session. We had a very strong push, which created a 5 minute gap as well. And the mid level is almost at the same spot. Doesn't really mean too much. But if there would be a change in the state of delivery, like up close candles, that would be great. That would be great to see, because then we could invert this smaller 1 minute gap here and look for a possible long position. That would be good. If we're continuing to go lower, well, who knows? Now, obviously, this is the 5 minute chart. If we go with the Asia low here at 771 and we just put a fib tool here, the golden level, mid-level, would be right here at 813. So it's still bullish. It's almost like a bullish breaker. Look at that. This one. So lower lows. See, it's almost like a bullish breaker ready to roll higher. So this would be okay. But just to make sure, I'd like to see this inversion gap being reversed, and you know, some up close candle. I have multiple fair value gaps, I know. I like to see some up close candles above 818 just to make sure. So I'd like to see some bullish move. I know there's a new day opening gap. I know, but at this point, the 5 minute chart for me is just not yet enough. Okay, now this is the 1 minute. Hold on. I could have just go short on this swing low. So swing low on this fair value gap. I could have just gone short with a nice 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio, easy. After taking liquidity here with this spike and then going lower to reprice this gap. This could have been an easy short that I missed, but I missed it. So right now, I think the question might as well be, is this liquidity sweep done or not? Now, I think, and there's a demand zone here on the 1 minute too. So this is a 1 minute demand zone down there, which could be a potential target for this drop to completely and then bounce off from this. This is why it's hard. Look at the rejection of this mid-level here. Multiple fair value gaps inside here, and it's kind of rejecting this 1 minute. So I might even jump into a short trade, and the draw on liquidity would be, I don't know. You know, I can do that actually. The draw on liquidity would be down there in the zone. And you know what? Let's try that. Let's give it a shot. ES reached the 1 minute demand zone. Oh yeah, so there could be a divergence with ES. Okay, so here's it. It got rejected from this level. The TP would be somewhere. It's not going to be accurate, but I'm going to go with like 796. And I might going to add to this position if I have to. For now, and this is just a hard stop, I'm going to put my stop up there. And let's see how it goes, right? So multiple fair value gaps in this area. Now it's turning into resistance. drawn liquidity would be awesome to see it down here at that level. But if it's not doing that, that's completely fine by me as well. I will still be watching this other fair value gap here as a last line of defense for the shorts. But who knows? I might be completely offside here. So good morning, Michal and Trading Star. Welcome back. How's it going, Trading Star? The course is ready, practically. It's ready. I'm already there is someone who is helping me to automate it. So it's under automatization, whatever. It's ready. We had to narrow it down to as short as possible because it was 4 hours long, and I will be able to upload extra content to it later with examples, but the core content of it had to be shortened down to 73 minutes, and it has been divided up to 3 main parts. So there was a lot of editing. I mean, cutting out unnecessary yapping and cutting it to the main point. PPI is alarming. Yeah, did we have some news here? Hold on. PPI input 4.4. Oh. This is not good. That is not so good. And this is not so... Okay. Huge difference here. Okay, I might be offside here, everybody. Look at that. I can't believe it, but I'm offside. Okay, last line of defense is this area here. And that's it. MSGUFO, what's up? Hello. So today I'm only trading on this particular account. This is already up $500, but now I'm in a drawdown of $29.24. So I don't really care if I lose this trade. But I don't really want to give back all the profit. Now these are brand new funded accounts here from Apex. I'm not connected to all my prop firms this morning, but yeah, I'm just trading this. So only risking some portion of the profits here. But I thought that we're just going to go down to that demand zone. Thick Sniper Joe, hello. Johnny Tsu, hello. Funded Futures network is trustable. It looks scam prop. It's not a scam prop. They are trustable. They are in business since quite a few years. They've been doing payouts. I know other traders, not in social media, but from Discord, they are getting payouts. I got multiple payouts. The only problem with them is that they don't have trade await. They only have rhythmic connection, which you can trade through Quantower or Ninja Trader as well. So you can trade Ninja Trader and everything that supports rhythmic, and they have their own platform. But otherwise, they are trustworthy. The support is responsive, no delays. So nothing really bad about them. The only thing is that they don't have trade await. So ETS, yeah, there you go. ETS can connect, for example, to rhythmic as well. So that's the only thing. They don't have trade await. Otherwise, Nothing wrong with them. They have the buy one get one free promo, I think, still going on. No problem. Payouts happened in 24 hours, by the way. After clicking the dashboard to withdraw, so from the click to my bank account, it was less than 24 hours. Less than 24 hours. And the dashboard is updating in the same minute. So you don't have to wait until the end of the day. By the way, that's an amazing thing. Oh my gosh, it's going up there. So the dashboard is updating, and you, once your account is eligible for a payout, you can request on the same day, in the same minute, you can request a withdrawal. So, all right, this got taken out, and I guess there was some sort of a news. I think Asia high has been swept. How many micros? Well, usually, especially on a day like this when news are all over the place, like 2 or 3 micros. Wow, look at this. Antonio G, welcome. Hello there. So yeah, I gave back from $540. I went down to $468 in profits. Randy H, welcome. Thanks for joining. Yeah, so this wasn't a good idea, obviously. Obviously. Huh. Wow. What a move here. Okay. I wonder what was the issue. PPI, Iran received some sign. Oh, that was earlier. Okay. Then up we go. 862, most likely. Yeah, this was a nice little push. Actually, how was this? This was like 22 points. Kind of looks like it's ready to go even higher. 862, 862. Can we go higher? I feel like it wants to. We're just so close to oh wow. Okay. Could this be a push to 862? Kind of wondering. It might be. Pakistan government source Shehbaz discussing with his ministers ways to persuade the Iranian side to return to the talks. Oh, Al Jazeera. Okay. Thank you for the info, Troy. So that was some positive thing. This is the problem with the headlines, guys. I mean, if there were no headlines this morning, at least we could talk about some algorithmic delivery or usual price action, but this is a roller coaster. But all these bullish news, is the narrative going to change? Should just sound alert keeps playing a Trump voice imitation telling me to buy. Really? Let's see. I know you're just joking, but let's see what they're saying, by the way. I turned it on. Dun, 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 dun. Well, 862, here we go. Whoa. Whoa. We have Randy donating $2. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Appreciate it.
Atle Silver Surfer sent me here.
Silver Surfer? Oh my gosh. Well, let me thank Silver Surfer for sending you here. Kudos, heads off, thank you. Appreciate the dono. Thank you very much, sir. Welcome. Let's all smash the like button, everybody. How we doing, by the way? Again, I appreciate it. Thank you. We are at 33 likes. Let's get it to 50. I know we can do that. That used to be our daily goal. Let's get it to 50. Oh, that's you? Oh, sorry, Lone Wolf. I don't know. It's so hard for me. I don't know. It's so hard for me to recognize the custom handles. Lone Wolf, thank you so much for the marketing. Oh, that's your other account. All right. All right. Thank you, man. I appreciate it. Appreciate that. All right, seems like pushing higher. 862 is gonna be a possible target, mid-level of that wick. At least that's what I think, but who knows? Good morning, Mr. C7. Mr. C77777 or Mr. C77,777. Welcome. Slim Trades, hello. Thanks for joining us. FOMO? No, I don't have FOMO. I'm okay. I made profits this morning, so I'm perfectly fine. I'm just kind of waiting now. So I've made some decent profit on this account. But no FOMO, Warren. Not yet, at least. Not yet. Hopefully it stays that way. 46 likes already. Thank you so much. Let's get to above 50. And next target is going to be around 60. So let's move it. Steph Dahan, hello. Welcome. We have quite a few new subs this morning. Thank you for joining. You know, with all these headlines, it's like, you never know. Oh my gosh. Randy trades futures. No way. Lone Wolf sent you. Oh my god.
That Lone Wolf Blue 66 sent me here.
Lone Wolf is doing some advertisement campaign here. Thank you, man. I appreciate that. You guys are great. Thank you. Put videos of my border collie. Oh. Nice. You occasionally stream. Nice. That's amazing. Yeah, you just sponsored my lunch today, for today and tomorrow and for Friday as well, by the way. Well, let's see. Yeah, sort of. Lunch is still kind of cheap. I can buy some cheap lunch. Thank you. I appreciate that, man. And everybody, I thank you, Randy. And thank you. We have two Randys. We have Randy Trades Futures and we have Randy H973. Thank you. Thank you so much, Celso. It's feelings are mutual, guys. It's just amazing to have a lasting and hardcore community here every London session, also in New York. Even when price action is just so, let's just say it out, it's so shitty like this, because let's face it, this is not so good right now. It feels like the headlines are kind of messing things up, and you know, you just never know. So far, this is the only account that I traded on, $486 on this. But I'm not gonna, maybe I can connect to all my accounts, but I'm not willing to trade all my accounts this morning. But maybe some more later. Do you journal? No, Dennis. No, I mean, not all the trades. I do journaling, by the way. I do journal things, but not like every single trade. But I'm like journaling the day as a whole, but not every single day. Like if I have a very good day or a very bad day, I try to write down some notes for myself. Like what did I see? What did I notice? What should have I done differently? What did I observe in a certain, you know, particular setup? Yeah. How much do you count total equity for each? Total equity. Oh my gosh, total equity. Well, I have like how much I have currently. I'm down to six. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 funded accounts. I'm down to 6 funded accounts, and I have about 1, 2, 3, 4, about 5, maybe 6 evaluation accounts. All of them are 50Ks. Some funded accounts received 3 payouts already. Well, actually 1. What else? Yeah, I got 2 fresh Apex funded accounts as well, but so for me it's enough, because I'm not copy trading them nowadays. So I'm trying to focus on 1, maybe 2 accounts at a time, and I try to rotate them. It's enough for me, MSUFO. It's I mean, yeah, I could go for 20 accounts or 30 funded accounts. I know some traders are using 30, 40, 50 funded accounts. Nothing wrong with that. For me, this is okay for now, until I'm not getting even better or more consistent. It's okay for me. The ones you traded, well, the ones that I traded today, that's a funded at it has 51,103. So this one. But I'm trying to get payout from this one as well, and payout from this one too. But I think it might gonna take until the end of the month, until I will try to get 1,000 from this and 1,000 from this one by the end of the month. So that would be an extra $2,000, but I have to be really slow and careful with those. Hold on a second. Quick phone call here. All right. Telemarketing. Telemarketing company. What do you guys do when telemarketing companies call you up? I mean, I know that's a job too, but I got calls from telemarketing companies every week. Every single week, I get a call from a telemarketing company. Now they are selling a course. Anyway, whatever. They're selling everything. Dennis, I can pass evals, no problem, but when it comes to funded, I seem to hit a wall. Well, it's the emotional roller coaster, right? Those feelings are kind of changing. The problem is NQ Predator is that I'm never not sure like who is calling. Maybe it could be something really important, because usually at least they call with a number, Hungarian number in my country, and I never know. It could be an official thing, you know, whatever, and I just pick up the phone. At least they have the dignity to show their phone numbers, and of course I pick it up, and you know. But they sell everything. Good morning, Lizelle. Hello. Welcome. Selling even briefs, yeah. Yeah, they do. They do. Oh, actually, I have to... 'All right. Good morning, Mirai Khan. Hello. Do you use... Yeah, this is TradingView. This is TradingView. I use TradingView. I think we should be hitting that 862 real soon. $10 minutes until London. Yeah, it's a scam call. Start to talk about trading courses and sell them. See who hangs up first. Yeah. Robo. All is great. Thank you for joining. What's up? I had a question about commission fees trading futures. Do all prop pay the same fees? Well, there are differences. Some prop firms are cheaper. Some are a little bit more expensive. But yeah, all the prop firms, like 99% of prop firms are having commissions. So yeah, which is not technically a real commissions because it's a demo account, right? These are all simulated accounts, but I guess they leave the commission there to simulate real market conditions. But yeah, some of them having just like $1 or $2, some of them having $5, $7 on a round trip. So, well, it does seem like it's ready to push higher, but maybe we can catch like an extra 10 points as a scalp. Antonio, I have an indicator that is on PineScript, but I tried to put it to trade C, but I couldn't. Anybody have experience? No, I don't. Yeah, I don't have experience with that, but yeah, Antonio, I have a custom indicator system as well based on moving averages, but until this day, I mean, there's a programmer already working on it. We just cannot replicate it exactly from MetaTrader 5 to PineScript to TradingView. So there's always something is off, and it's been months now. But yeah. Yeah, TradingView is delayed if it's free. I do have a subscription myself. But yeah, if you don't have a subscription, it is delayed for sure. Yeah. No, this is TradingView. This is TradingView. Warren is saying buy. Warren's saying buy it. I mean, I'm not against the idea. I do think it should be pushing. Maybe I can give it a go, you know, with 2 micros. How about giving it with 2 micros? But is it worth it, you know, to go up to 862? I think daily loss limit is very useful. I think that's a very good thing, Dennis. It saved me multiple times. Multiple times it saved me. When I was on tilt. Limit order. Patron for placing trades, and lately it's quite decent. Yeah, I mean, I have the CME data subscription and the essential package. I don't need the premium package from TradingView because I just don't. I'm perfectly fine with the basic essential package. I don't need indicators and all the fancy add-ons because this is more than enough for me. Like, why would I pay triple the price if I don't use those functions? So I'm just with the basic essential subscription with the CME data, and that is it. I think it's, I don't even know, like $30 a month or something, maybe more. I don't know. Yeah, I only use it for charting. Yeah, me as well. Let's go, 56 likes. Can we get 44 more likes? 44. Let's get that extra 44 likes going on. Thank you. All right, let me get these off. So here's a fair value gap on the 1 minute. And you know what? If this is the area of sweeping liquidity, this could also be like a bullish breaker to go higher to 862. This could be. This could be a bullish breaker. Well, it's not yet. I know there's a lot to go here. Let's see the initial reaction. What a spike here earlier. Yeah, I mean, all this push here, this one and this, these were headlines. So this was a headline here. This was a headline here. And this was a headline here. But it still kind of feels like the market, who knows? I don't know. So all these are headlines. Well, I'm using financialjuice.com. I have a subscription there, but it's free as well. So you can use it for free, but there's going to be a bit of a delay, not too much. There you go. There's going to be a bit of a delay with the news, but otherwise I'm paying $20-something per month. So there's the link, financialjuice.com. Yeah, overall, I would not be surprised to see a bearish reaction here. Yeah, the main headline that came out earlier was this one. Iran received some signs the US is ready to break the blockade. This was the major one earlier. This. So obviously this proves that Iranian news are the ones that are moving the market right now. So but this was it. You're welcome. You're welcome. Well, let's see what the London Open will bring us. NQ Predator is scared to trade New York session. Oh, don't be scared. Don't be scared. That's what our new prime minister. Oh, okay, let's forget about it. I'm getting into politics again. But that's the catchphrase of our new prime minister here. Don't be scared. Even his Facebook profile is saying, don't be scared. Do you use any type of projections in your... Well, nothing really. I'm just using key levels. Most likely my key levels are demand zones and supply zones. And I'm kind of watching the fair value gaps, how price is behaving in those fair value gaps. Most likely. Yes, a couple of weeks trying to wrap up my... Yeah. Yeah. So many traders are saying like they don't want to trade until this war is going to settle in a way or some way. Yeah. All the pump and dump situation that's going on with the market is just absolutely crazy. He is very brave, very young. Like he's like 45 years old, but he looks 35. He's very fit. But yeah, he is very brave, and honestly, I am really hoping if he can just achieve like 30-40% of their goals, then the country is gonna go into some huge positive changes. So yeah, you know, he's basically aura farming right now. That's what he's doing. Here's the London Open. Yeah, lots of traders lose money. He's the new owner of the gym? No way. After the long funded Monday, honestly, my confidence trading Europe is pretty bad as well. Moonlight, it happens with everybody, man. But, you know, crazy market conditions are always going to be there. Like some, you know, it's going to be seasonable tendencies. For a couple of weeks, New York session is going to be awful. Then another couple of weeks, London session is going to be the worst. And then New York is going to be better. Like it's always going to be around the corner. All right, we have a push here. We have a possible push, maybe just a fake out. Okay. This inversion gap is still kind of holding price down. Doesn't matter. Well, we hope so too, Robo. So he says he's aura farming. He says he doesn't need he doesn't need security for protection. So he doesn't need security guards to protect him. And everybody was like, what? He said he's not scared like our former prime minister. He doesn't need security guards. And he's going to travel with the metro and with the bus. Not with the bus, but he doesn't need all that extra fancy things. He's going to, if he flies to other European countries, he doesn't need a private jet. Our previous prime minister was flying with the private jet. He says he doesn't want to go with private jet. Obviously, he can go. I don't care. He will go with regular economy class plane, just like everybody else. He will buy the ticket and he will go like that. He also decreased the salary of the prime minister by 60 or 70%. His own salary, he decreased it by 60%. And he doesn't need the fancy office. Our former prime minister was having his office in the most beautiful castle in Budapest, and he said he doesn't want that. He just needs a room in one of the buildings close to Parliament, and that's it. He doesn't need any fancy stuff. He just wants a regular office close to the Parliament, no bodyguards, no fancy cars, no private jets, and decreasing his salary 60%. So at this point, everybody's like, what? I'm talking about politics again. Yeah, he's supporting international court and he wants to get into international yeah. I mean, keep him talking here. Because he does not have anything shady. Yeah, he said, actually, if he finds out that anyone from the government is making money on their own out of public funding or public money, he or she is going to be prosecuted immediately. So he's basically almost like the Harvey Dent from Batman movies, like the kind of Harvey Dent, the Dark Knight, you know. Hopefully he's not gonna be Two-Face Harvey then, but before he got to be Two-Face. But yeah, he doesn't need all that fancy stuff. He's just aura farming right now. Question is he going to stand by his word? That's another question. But so far, he's like super anti-corruption, and no extra spending. He's cutting, by the way, so many spending. He's cutting all the spending from public funds towards politicians. And he's cutting everything, all the expenditure. He already said that no more of those days when politicians are, you know, living off from public funds, like only the basic payouts for politicians. He's cutting every single penny, which is not penny, but forint. Yeah. There you go. Catch it. Trump doesn't get a salary. That's true. That's true. Never trust politicians. Never forget that. All right, let's leave it be. Look at this price action, man. Look at this. Oh my gosh, we're ranging in 15 points here. He is already doing with the freedom of the press. So TDFLC, the thing is, in 16 years, we've never seen certain media outlets being able to ask very important questions from the Prime Minister. Now, they are the first ones who are getting the first questions. And anyway, it's really amazing. Yeah, this market open is bullshit. Just saying, this market open, bullshit is actually better than this market open. This is so bad. Very bad. Such a bad market open, guys. Wow. You know why is this? Because everybody's waiting for some news. I think. German DAX is long. Exactly. Seasons move faster than this market. And you know what's going to happen? Some comments are going to hit the market and it's going to spike up 50 points in 1 single second. That's what's going to happen. Oh my gosh. Well, whatever. It's just, by the way, good to see that we are rejecting from this higher inversion gap. That's kind of a good news, I think. I do like that. I'm actually a little bit eager to try to go for a short, but at this point, it's really, really nothing. Yeah. Back into the middle of this. Because look at price. It got rejected here, here, multiple times here. Okay, now it's going through. Still being rejected. I wonder if this could be a possible target to the downside there. Let's see how this 1 minute candle will close. Good morning, Kelly Kaufman. Hello. Hello there, Kelly. Yeah, Moonlight. All these headlines are making it definitely more like gambling. All right, seems like we're going to have some up close candles here. All right. Should we go for it? Let's go for it. All right. Jumped in. Jumped into a long. I'm just risking some of the profits here. I want to see the 60s up there. If not, well, no problem. We might just go down there. And let's see if we can hit 60 up there. All right. The reasoning behind this There's nothing special. We have an inversion gap here. These candles here got rejected as it got inverted here. We had a sweep of liquidity. Actually, let me get this off here. We had a sweep of liquidity right there. And there was a change in the state of delivery here by this candle at 308. And this is why I decided to jump in. Which was also a bit of a bullish sign. Well, hold on. Let me see. The close of this one, 843.75. And the high was, yeah, practically it closed right here. It's good. It's not a bad sign. So these two candles, this one and this one, kind of helped me to decide that I want to jump in. If it's not going there, it's fine. This account is still in profit. So here it is. So that's fine. I'm just risking some of the profits here. Still keeps rejecting. Oh no. Oh no. Yeah. It's just not it, everybody. This is just not something I wanted to see. All right. Yeah, horrible price action for sure. Very bad. Indeed. Very, very bad. I'm relaxing. I'm totally, by the way, I am so relaxed, Warren. You wouldn't imagine how much I'm relaxed. I'm totally, totally relaxed. Actually, I'm willing to add more to the trade. That's how I'm relaxed, how much I'm relaxed. I'm willing to add more to this position. Especially after this candle here, because there's nothing else more to do. I'm willing to add even more. But why should I, right? Volume is dead, so. All right. Adding more. Oh no. I think I should move my stop here. If it goes lower, then it's going to go into the gap anyway. So I don't want to hold that trade for longer. So even though I added one more micro, I decreased. Okay, there you go. All right, I'm out. That is what it is. It is what it is. All right, that's it. Still have $309 in profit, which I don't want to lose. So we're gonna wait. We had a market structure shift here. It seems like it. Wow, look at that. Taking all that liquidity here. All the way down. Wow. That was something I wasn't expecting. Look at this. And the mid-level of this range is right there. I don't know if this is some news. Yalanta, hello, welcome. Okay, so it could be a fake out there. Not sure. Could have been a fake out. $8.37. It does seem like it shifted structure here. But how far can it go? Can this be a possible limit order at 37? I'm not sure. Who is my favorite trading influencer? My favorite trading influencer is definitely Methodical Man. Because he's always so calm and chill, you know. He's following through with the process. He's taking the trades. Super chill. Shenanigan, hello. What's up? Welcome. Randall, hello. Down 300 on that big spike. Yeah, it's a crazy morning. I put a limit order up there, by the way, just to see if we can get a possible short. Still not going there. 908. Oh, that's a little bit higher. Adding more on CFDs. Let's go. All right. Got tagged in. $8.15 would be a good target. What is going on here? What is going on here? Lots of stuff coming out about Trump. The markets. What stuff is coming out about Trump? Everybody wants to know. $8.15. Let's go with $8.15. Oh, Senate and Congress. Here in we should hack through social. Here in Hungary, they don't really talk to. I mean, they talk about Trump, but like the inside politics of what's happening, we don't know too much. All we know here in Hungary is that not everybody is happy in the Republican Party, and some of the biggest supporters are backing out from Trump, and that's all that was being told in the mainstream media here in Hungary. But otherwise, I don't know what's going on. Okay, well, it seems like it's going up. Just one of those days, I guess. NF Smooth, hello. Thank you for joining. What a morning. All right. This trade is done. I would be highly surprised if this one would dump right now. Someone was into this market, yeah. I'm definitely the liquidity today. I am definitely the liquidity today, guys. I'm just giving back my profits from today. What a crazy open. All right, then, because if we smash through here, then why not 862? Why not go for it? You know, I would be very surprised on a drop here. I don't even have a TP on this. That's how sure I am this is gonna hit the stop. Maybe not. Maybe not. Dropping to pick more. Yeah, it might be the case. All right, there we go. All right. And it's gone, just like in South Park. And it's gone. I wonder if it will try to push for 60 now. Not buying. No way. No way. I'm done. But let's observe. And I'm just going to be curious about that 862 level up there. Yeah, maybe it's better to wait for a New York session, right? How we're doing with the likes, by the way? We are at 75 likes. Can we get 25 more? Just 25 more likes to go. Super easy. What's your favorite South Park episode? Oh, I don't know. I'm not following South Park. Many years ago, I was watching a few episodes, but I don't know. I like Family Guy. Family Guy is cool, but I don't know the new episodes now from Family Guy, but the Family Guy is super cool. I love it. I also like Rick and Morty as well, but you know, if I want to have a brain fart, I just watch Rick and Morty. Otherwise, I'm good with Family Guy. Thank you, Mirakan. Let's smash those likes. Yeah, at this point, I'm just kind of curious what the heck the market wants to do. Study what happened. Second to third. Okay. The fights, when he's fighting with that rooster or whatever, that's so cool when he's fighting with the rooster. They did a really good job with that. I'm gonna be watching you a lot. N7U, thank you for joining. So every day I have 5 past accounts and started 3 months, and all I do is I lose my winning next. Oh, I'm sorry to hear that, man, but dude, you know, losing is part of this business. It's really part of it, and you have to realize it, that, and you know, manage your trading according to that, because that is how it is, right? But yeah. Well, we all have that mistakes, NFS. So we all do that. We all have that. It kind of happens to everyone. What you think? Wait, no trades until 6. We definitely have some more possible liquidity around around 4 a.m. Eastern Standard. So, you know, maybe there's going to be some liquidity hitting the market a little bit later. So far, the range is just so bad, like unbelievably bad. 20 points. Anthony Warner, thank you for joining the stream. Welcome to the channel. Hello. If you're
saying safe asset would reinforce global role of the euro.
Okay, so if you're up 1.1k NFS, you definitely should be locking your account, especially as you said, you just started out with trading not too long ago. 1.1k is extremely good for that account. So lock it up, man, and you're done for the day. You can still trade. There you go. So you can still trade on a paper trading account to focus for some entries and follow through the market. That's no problem. Listen, you were up 2.5. That's good too. But listen, 1.1k right now is extremely good. Lock it up and focus on paper trading for the rest of the day. Or, you know, that's it. That is really good. Lock it up. We are at 81 likes. Come on, everybody. 81. We need 19 more. 19 more likes to go. Can we get 19 more likes? I know we can. I know. You can get that 19. I know we can. Let's go. 89 already. 11 more to go. 11 more to go. And by the way, because we still have some time, you locked it already. Nice. Here comes the shameless plug, everybody. If you would like to support the channel, I do appreciate if you guys would use my code. It's up there in the banner. You see it. The code is the same everywhere. It's TOMSABO. You can use it for all these prop firms that you see. So there's the code, all the prop firms there. Apex is back to 50%, but Lucid Trading, MyFundedFutures, Take Profit Trader with the daily payouts. Guys, we only need a few more sales. I think maybe 4 or 5 more sales. I do need to check on TRADEIFY, and we're going to be getting accounts for giveaway. And the same goes for Take Profit Trader. So if all goes well, I will be able to give away at least 2 accounts from TRADEIFY and another 2 accounts from Take Profit Trader. So yeah, thank you so much for the support, even for considering using the code. You guys are amazing. Thank you, thank you. NFS, don't worry. I mean, we need to reach a level at Take Profit Trader. I think there's only a couple of more sales to go, and I will receive 2 50k test accounts for the community to give away. So Take Profit Trader and TRADEIFY are the ones that are very close. Only a couple of sales more to go. And thank you. We still have time though until the end of the month because the timer goes off and resets until the end of the month. And we're very close to hit that number. And so that would be cool. And I'm giving away those accounts just like I did with MyFundedFutures. I did with Lucid Trading, and I do all the time. I give away these accounts. Well, if you would like to buy different ones, then you can, if you would like to support, of course. But you know, you can support anyone who you like. But you know, Take Profit Trader and TRADEIFY, good choice. Separating, I mean, diverging, you know. Oh, the link is in the description of the stream, but if you scroll, for example, Streamlabs, you see the Streamlabs bot. It says daily payouts at Take Profit Trader. You click on the link, it will take you there. So that is Take Profit Trader, and TRADEIFY should be also there. If you scroll higher, I see TRADEIFY link as well, but it's also in the description. The Streamlabs bot is spamming the links. Thank you so much, everybody. This was the shameless plug. Without the affiliate commissions, I couldn't do this every single day. Thank you, thank you. And I'm giving away the accounts for you guys. The code is the same everywhere. Thank you. I think at TRADEIFY, I don't know if it's capital or small capital. I don't know, but you know, but the code is the same. Thank you. I appreciate it. I do appreciate it. Very grateful. Oh. Trading name, hello. Harshit, I'm facing issue with Take Profit Trader. They are rejecting my card. Can you give me a TPT account and I can pay you? I can't really do. I don't have right now accounts to give away in my credit bank. That's the problem. I don't have it in my credit bank. That is why I'm saying, you know. Quantower or Onyx? I definitely go with Quantower all the time. NFS. Yeah, very slow. Very, very slow. Very bad price action, guys. Extremely bad. Extremely bad. So Harshit, I don't have accounts in the credit bank right now. I would give away those accounts, and I don't know if even we can do that, you know, Harshit. I don't know. I mean, the 91% is over. Now it's back to 45% right now with Bulenox, but also for the option 2 accounts as well. So Bulenox is back to 45%. Apex is back to 50%. Funded Futures Network, I think they still have the buy one get one free promo, by the way.
ECB's Lane sees natural fiscal case for European common debt. UK MTO saying received reports of incident west of Iran.
Do I use your coupon right? It's 85%. Yeah, please, if you consider it, please use my coupon code. It gives the same exact discount, but right now, Bulenox, I mean, the buy one, get one free. I don't know which prop firm you're referring to, NFS. but my coupon code gives the same exact discount as the basic discount. I mean, not the basic, but the actual promo. So it's the best one. DayTraders, yeah, it has. DayTraders also has my code. Yeah. But instead of DayTraders, I mean, you can choose DayTraders, of course. There are some good deals going on there as well. But yeah. Which one then? Take Profit Trader and TRADEIFY. if yeah. Thank you so much, by the way, NFS. Take Profit Trader or TRADEIFY would be amazing because we're getting closer with those numbers. So Take Profit Trader or TRADEIFY, we need some extra numbers there. Thank you. Added payout caps. That was, I mean, they had payout caps last year as well, but I don't mind that. Yeah, they extended the buy one get one free until the end of the month. Yeah. So buy one get one free is extended until the end of the month. Oh my gosh, this price action is so bad. Buy one, Funded Futures Network. Funded Futures Network has the buy one get one free. So right now, I think the prices are at $90, the cheapest one. For example, the 50K account. So if you pay $90, there's no activation fee, and you're gonna get instantly another evaluation account at the purchase. So basically $45 for. There you go, 862 being taken. So $45 for a 50K account. But the catch is, if you blow up your account, your initial account that you paid for, and if you cancel the subscription, they're going to take away your free account, and only one free account at a time. So it's not like you buy 10 accounts and you're going to get 10 free, only one free account at a time. That's how the promo goes, but it's still buy one get one free. Yes, the BOGO sale is still on. The buy one, they just extended it, so I will put out a fresh post about that. They extended it until the end of the month, so only one free account at a time, but you get it when you purchase the first account. You have to send an email to support with the receipt, and they're going to send you a code with 100% discount for your next purchase. So you can use that for your second account, and this is how you get the free account. So send them an email, and they're going to reply to you with the code, and you can use that. It's a custom code for you, one-time use only. And that is how the BOGO works. I'm not sure can review on MyFundedFutures, but how long do you usually stream on there? From 9 a.m. until 10 a.m. Eastern Standard, Moonlight. 9 to 10. We are doing the open of the show with Terry. She's awesome. We're doing the morning push at the open, and so I stay there until 10 a.m. See you later, Moonlight. See you later. Okay, so far, I mean, we talked about this 862 ever since 2 a.m. and it seems like this was a really good potential target, which I missed. I should have woulda, coulda anyway. Wow. Shoulda, woulda, coulda. Huh. Yeah, let's see if there's any no special news. There was an incident around Iran, but that is all. I mean, there's always incidents around Iran nowadays. So it pretty much seems like a bullish day. 855 right now. On the price. We are at 96 likes. 4 more likes to go. 4. We just need 4 likes, everybody. 4. 4 more likes. Let's push it. We can get it. We can get the 100. I know we can. Let's do it, everybody. I know it's a slow morning. 101 already. Still push it. Let's go. Thank you so much, everyone. We made it possible. Thank you. $102. Don't stop. Sounds weird, but Nico Loco, hello there. What's up? Thank you, everybody, for the support. 107. That's it, guys. Love from Greece. Oh my gosh. Yeah. I forgot Greece. Oh yeah. It's such a beautiful country. $885. Are we going higher? Very bad price action. 12 more minutes to go until pre-market open. If you are brand new, Zero Cool, if you're a brand new customer at MyFundedFutures, then you get a 50% welcome bonus on the pro accounts. Otherwise, there's a 20% off on the Rapid, and I think the Builder account also has the promo right now, the brand new account. So I think you get a 50% welcome bonus there as well. But that's a one-time bonus only if you're a brand new customer. And that's only for the first month. So yes, there is. But there's still a promo. Yeah, the pro accounts are 30% off, basically. Still 30% off. 20 on the Rapids. Flex accounts are also have a promo, I think. If you just type it in there to the coupon code, it will give you the exact number. But sell and don't be afraid, says the pickle FX. Sorry, I butchered the name there, but thank you. Yeah, Could be a possible sell point here. You're not new. Okay, then there's no. If you're already if you already purchased accounts previously with MyFundedFutures, then unfortunately there's no 50% discount for you. But the pro accounts still have 30%, and I think the Rapids has the 20. And again, the Builder has a discount as well. Let me check the Builder. Did they change it? The brand new Builder. 40% off. Yes, the Builder account is 40% off. 2 users per person. No consistency rule, no activation fee. You can trade the news, end of day trailing, and 1 day pass on the Builder account, by the way. $2,000 payout cap, but you can request a payout every second day. All right, let's see. Does it have a buffer? Yeah. Hold on. Let me check it. Yeah, it's the same. It's 2K. I think, yeah. Yeah. You're welcome. But it's a cool account, I think. It's a really good one. Okay, there might be a possible short opportunity here. Hmm. I'm actually interested to take this short. If I'm gonna get tagged in here. So let's see. Optimal trade entry level would be 53.50-ish area. I like it. If it's not gonna get tagged in, that's fine too. Okay. Okay. I get tagged in. Uh, 835.50. I like that. I like that. That's good. There was a small gap here. And I was like, you know, I know we have the pre-market open real soon, I know, but hopefully we can drop lower, take out this low at 840, and then take that fair value gap lower. Because we swept some highs here. This would be a nice rejection from the mid-level of that 1 hour candle's wick. That's why I was watching that 862, and this was a nice rejection from this level. So let's see it. Let's just see it. 35.50. All right. "25 seconds to go until pre-market open." Can we get it? I'm copy trading this, but only on 2 accounts. So here's the pre-market open.
Japan Finance Minister Katayama says the FSA and Bank Japan will meet on Friday with mega banks to discuss AI model mythos.
Awesome. Let's go. Yes. Beautiful. Finally. Let's go. Yeah, I copied this one, so this is how I'm doing. These are fundeds for today. $400 and 233. I'm all right with this. So after all the losses, with the 1-to-2 risk to reward ratio, we did it. Yeah, this was a good one. There were some headlines for sure. I know this was not. I don't think it was normal. I don't know. Well, it's just 20 points, but still. Okay. Yeah, the reason I put these here on the chart is to see Lizel. Oh, 4 accounts funded. Oh, Lizel. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm sorry to hear that, Lizel. Did you copy trade them or you were just on tilt? I'm really sorry about that. But yeah, the other day I lost 2 fundeds as well. I was on tilt. Copy trading. Okay, then Lizel, don't blame yourself that much because, you know, copy trading elevated risk, okay, first of all, and it can go sideways so fast. It can so fast go sideways, but you know, because if you are not copy trading them and that's how you lose 4 funded accounts, it's definitely worse, because then you're definitely on a tilt scenario, on a tilt cycle. But you basically, well, it happens. Copy trading has these things, but yeah. But I know it will get it back, and you know, so hard to pass eval. It's easy to lose them. Yeah, it's easy. Don't give up, Lizel. You know, don't give up. It's really a long journey, that's for sure. For me, it's definitely a long journey for sure. I think it would be great for us to do, like, everybody here, to do some podcasts or some talks, you know, about the mindset, the psychology, the personal journey. Like, it would be great to listen to some stories of how you guys are doing, what's your struggles, because that could be inspirational, motivational for many traders. I mean, 8K and 150K, wow, already gave half of it. Oh, should I hold short? I don't know, Lizel. You know, with all these headlines, whew, it's a tough question. Oh, sorry, that was not you. I thought that Lisa was asking. Darshan, sorry. I have dyslexia. Not officially, but really I can't read. I wouldn't hold trades until New York in this crazy market, you know. Front running a short one bet contract. Yeah, we should really start. Just talk about random topics. Politics, trading. Yeah, we could be doing a bit of a podcast thingy here and talk about things in the world. Do you guys think it would be a great thing to do like a weekly, once or twice, a bit of a podcast session on a different playlist on the same channel here, but I would be talking about things in the world, including politics. Politics is not good. Politics, you know, I don't want to hurt anybody's feelings, because obviously maybe if I would be on Rumble, because Rumble is more about politics, but YouTube, yeah, no politics. No politics, Lizalia. No. Last 2 weeks had one of the best price action I've seen in months, says Moonlight. This week has been really, really crazy, yeah. But I always wanted to do a talk show, by the way. I always felt like it's great to talk about, not just about trading, but about life, you know, about things in life, including maybe a bit of a politics, but not politics, but about, you know, so many topics. Let's cover drama. The thing is, if I would start to cover drama about different niches in businesses or in world or economics, whatever, first of all, I'm far away being an expert. So it would be just one opinion. That would be mine. And obviously that would be so controversial. I think I would be getting lots of hate, a lot of heat. And I'm not sure I want to be there. And it's just so good to chill, you know, feel relaxed, focus on our thing. And I'm already stepped over the line with the politics in the past couple of weeks. But yeah, we had a big election here. So I stepped over the line with politics. But I think it would be just great to talk about things. Maybe on a different channel. Who knows? Maybe I should start a different channel. Maybe on Rumble. Rumble is the place where I can talk all about like everything. YouTube is not so much. YouTube is not about freedom of speech anyway. And you missed your TP by 1 tick. Oh no. So your TP was down there. Okay. Oh. All right, everybody. I think I'm gonna call it here. And I'll be back for early New York session. All right. Thank you so much, everybody, for being here. It was an interesting session. Ended up in the green, but hopefully we will have a better session in New York. All right. Thank you so much. You guys are amazing. Thank you for the support and using my code. We're very close with Take Profit Trader and TRADEIFY to get some giveaway accounts. If you would consider using the code, everybody's amazing. I love the community. And what can I say? I'll be back for early New York, and God bless you all. Cheers and trade safe. All right. God bless. Cheers, everybody.